Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change any button on your controller using the PlayStation 5 Pro. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to Settings and scroll on down to Accessibilities. Now under here, there's going to be an option for controllers and custom button assignments for DualSense Wireless Controller. Just select this and you'll be able to remap pretty much any button on your controller. Now, if you do have a DualSense like Edge controller, we have to drop down to this section, and then we can go to Custom Profiles. And under here, we can select a custom profile. And I have this one set up for Kingdom Come Deliverance, and then I can go to the custom button assignment under here. And this is how your normal controller would look also. You just have to select the button. Here's L1, for example, and we can change this to any of these buttons, or you can disable it if you want. Now, you can also go to the touchpad right here if you have the DualSense Edge controller. I don't believe this is a normal option. And you can decide on here too. So we can go to the button right here and we can disable it or turn off the touchpad and then go to apply. So when you have this turned on now, you can go ahead and use the custom button assignment. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.